Hiya, Pat's Planet. I spotted a few things on your Amazon listing that could be costing your sales right now. So let's take a closer look for your product, which is the dog car seat cover. First, congrats on your 4.6 star rating and your Amazon's Choice badge. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. I'm Kim. I'm a business development representative from my Amazon guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. So, first, let's talk about traffic. Now, what really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Using our tool and looking at your distribution here, I could see that you are organically indexing for 700 keywords and you are supporting that with around 2,700 paid keywords. This can still be improved as there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing for here. And we usually recommend a golden ratio of 1 is to 2 here, which is one paid for every two organic to index more better. You're leaning a bit low on the organic side, and this is the reason why you are not indexing better at Amazon or why you are not being seen at Amazon. Now, you can also check out this word cloud here below. These are the most important keywords for your listing, and we could share this expert for free if you will book a call with us today. Now, going down here, you will find your highest search keyword in your own category. So, right now, we're looking at the biggest traffic opportunity for your product. For the keyword phrase dog car seat cover with 31,000 searches, you're bidding on this keyword. Good job on that. You're currently at 35. However, this is still in the double digit rank. Now, what this means is that customers have to scroll through over 35 listings before they could see your product, and this is limiting your exposure over here. Now, for this other keyword phrase, dog car seat, with the highest search volume of 107,000, you are not indexing here at all. So, what this means is that you are not being seen here at all. So, this is a missed opportunity for you because imagine the increase in sales if customers can actually find you using the keyword phrase right over here. Now, we can definitely help you with your keywords here. We can help you push the rankings up, ideally into a single digit number, because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Let me show you how big your category is on Amazon. So, this is just in the top 50 listing for the keyword phrase dog car seat cover for backseat. There is a total revenue of $9.3 million, and top sellers are averaging around $148,000 per month. Now, I can see that you are not really getting your fair share over here. There's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can help grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. Now, we also reviewed one of your top competitors here. This is the Your Power Bottom Dog Car Seat cover. Now, just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products directly. There are differences when it comes to price and positioning. What we're reviewing here is their keyword strategy. So, as you can see, they've sold over 24,000 units and have generated $1 million in sales. The difference comes down to their visibility, and you will see that from their distribution, they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome for their product. As you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon and ultimately more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. The title and the bullet points are the best areas for indexing here. Good job utilizing and maximizing your title and your bullet points. Just don't forget to update it regularly as SEOs are not set and forget. For your image tag, you do have 4 images. You could add up to 6 images plus one video. And then you have to work on your main image. It's not a white, it doesn't have a white background. So you have to work on this as well to improve your visibility on Amazon. Now let's go down here below to your A plus content. Okay, good job utilizing large eye-catching images over here. Which is very beautiful. Let's see if you've utilized your alt text as well. Okay, you did. Now, for your alt text, the tip that I could give you here is that you should add misspellings or Spanish terms, as these techniques are proven to help boost your visibility as well. And I also saw that you also have a brand story, which is very beautiful. Now, those are just a few things that I could share with you for today. But if you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video, and you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. Now, My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.